Down by the river so calm and wide lived a turtle with a gentle stride. Slow and steady, step by step, he never rushed, no giant leap. The rabbits laughed and the squirrels ran. Catch us, turtle, if you can. But turtle smiled and said with grace, I'll reach the end, I'll run my race. Each morning bright with skies so blue, turtle had a goal to do. He climbed small hills, crossed tiny streams, always chasing simple dreams. One fine day a race began between fast rabbit and turtle stand. Rabbit ran off quick and proud, leaving turtle far behind the crowd. But rabbit stopped to rest and play. Slow turtle won't catch me today. He napped beneath a shady tree, dreaming of how proud he'd be. Meanwhile turtle kept his pace, quiet and calm, he won the race. The crowd all cheered, hooray, hooray! Slow and steady wins the day. Now every creature, big or small, knows that patience conquers all. Turtle smiles beneath the sun, his gentle journey never done. Step by step through life he goes, teaching lessons everyone knows. Move with care, stay brave and true, and good things all